with me, Olegana Safarani. So here I will discuss the topic of taxes and market balance in business mathematics. So that it is easy to understand, let me see explanation. The impact of taxes and market equilibrium. Definition of market and equilibrium. The market refers to a place where buyers and sellers meet to trade goods or service. Market equilibrium occurs when the quantity supplied equals the quantity demand. Establishing a stable price point and transaction volume, the equilibrium can be disturbed by various factors, one of which is taxation. 2. Introduction to taxes in the market. What is a tax? A tax is a compulsory contribution paid by individuals or business to the government, typically used to fund public expenses. In the market, taxes can be levied at different strikes of the transaction, including on seller or buyers. Types of taxes: sales tax imposed on the sale price of goods, usually affecting the price of goods when imposed on sellers, and encourage producers' costs, increasing the supply to their size. Income tax, other tax levied on individual or corporate income. Luxury tax, tax imposed on luxury goods or goods considered of waste. Number 3, impact of taxes on supply and demand. Tax on supply. When a tax is imposed on seller, add to production costs, terribly increasing the price of goods. This drives the supply cost to the left. Sellers will produce less quantity because they receive lower price per unit. For example, if the initial market price and quantity are P and Q, respectively, and a tax T is imposed on the seller, the new equilibrium frame becomes P1 and the quantity drops to T1. Visualize this with the supply cost shifting down from lower quantity T1. Tax on demand. A tax imposed on buyers increases the price of goods, reducing consumer purchase power and demand for the goods. This shifts the demand cost to the left. With tax T on buyers, the demand cost shifts from D to D1. With the now equilibrium price P1, heater and quantity Q1, lower time initial P and Q. Number 4. Market equilibrium with taxes visualizing with curves. Draw the supply curve S and demand choice D. After tax implementation, the supply curve shifts to S1 and the demand curve shifts to D1. Now equilibrium occurs at P1 and Q1, including increased price and decreased transaction quantity. Example case supports the initial equilibrium price in P 100 and quantity 1000. After T tax applied to sellers, the new equilibrium price becomes P1 110 and quantity 900. The illustration significant change versus by both consumer and product due to taxation. Number 5. Effects of taxes on consumer and producers and consumer. Consumer feel the impact of the taxes through higher price of goods, will higher price their purchasing power, decision and time reduce competition. Illustrate this with a diagram showing reduced consumer surplus after tax implementation, indicating decision consumer welfare. On product receive a lower price after tax. This reduces the profit margins because of increased production costs. 6. Market effective and welfare. Market effective. Taxes can reduce market effective by shifting the equilibrium point from the optimal no tax point to a null inflation poem, this result in the loss of consumer and product surplus. While taxes and increase government revenue, the reduce overall social welfare, consumer and producers suppress demands due to change in price and quantity. Discuss how tax led to welfare loss, researching and with a diagram showing the reduction in effectivity. Conclusion. Recapitulation of tax impact. Taxes affect market equilibrium by shifting supply and demand curves. The equilibrium price rises and traded quantity decreases. Importance of understanding tax impact. Understanding how taxes affect the market is critical for economic decision making and policymakers, and allow for evaluation their impact on social welfare and making better decisions. Call for further understanding. This is a powerful policy tool that can style market behavior and affect economic decisions. A deep understanding of their impact will help business, students, and policymakers design more effective policies. So, that's the explanation of market and market balance in business mathematics. I hope you can understand. Yeah, thank you.